Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to purl two together. Purl two together is a left slanting knitting increase you can use for purl sections. If you're knitting stockinette stitch, it will look exactly like a knit two together from the other side. So let's show you how to knit this decrease. The purl two together is knit almost exactly as a regular purl stitch. The only difference is you insert the needle into two stitches at the same time. So I'm at the place where I want to purl two together, and this is what I do. I hold the yarn in front and then I insert the needle into the first two stitches from right to left, like this, from right to left. So you have two stitches on your needle. And now I wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise. See, I'm using my middle finger to guide the yarn and to increase the tension. And now simply pull the yarn through like this. And now you can slip those two stitches off your needle, and here is your purl two together. Let's do it one more time. Insert the needle into the first two stitches on your left needle from right to left, like this. Now wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise like this, and use your middle finger or your index finger, both works. Use your finger to guide the yarn and increase the tension. Pull it through and slip it off your needle. One last time. Insert the needle from right to left into the first two stitches. Wrap the yarn around your needle counterclockwise and pull it through and slip it off. So that's it. That's how you purl two together. Some patterns ask you to purl three together. It's exactly the same technique, but you insert the needle into the first three stitches at the same time. This can be a bit tricky at times, so you need to wiggle around a bit, and then you would purl these three together. Anyways, I hope I was able to show you how to purl three together. Give me a thumbs up if you liked my video, and consider to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. Happy knitting!